Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product. It is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. What's a paid shoppable video? It is simply a video to show you what's inside this box in more detail, talk about it with you a little bit, maybe try to answer some questions for you, and see if it's really the right product for you. And if it is, great. If it's not, you can move on. So, without further ado, let's go on here. This is the Viralix Air Duster vacuum cleaner. Small vacuum. You can vacuum small areas, tights out. You can blow out areas that you need blown out. So let's open this up and see what we got. All right, so we got that. First thing is, instructions are pretty decent. I opened them up. I mean, it's an air duster, air blower. Not that difficult, but the instructions were good. What does it come with? Comes with the attachments. So you have a long tube, you have a short tube with a wider opening, you have like a vacuum duster, a very small, probably high power, when you reduce it to that small, it's going to be pretty good and high powered. And I remind you that these air dusters are great for also blowing up things, blowing up inflatables for your kids, things like that. They can be used for that, and that's what most of these attachments are for. There's just different. Those will all fit in your inflatable. If you're trying to inflate something, you're going to find something that fits. Here's another little duster attachment. Very nice. What we got in here? This is the actual vacuum side of it. So if you your air duster up, one side is blow, one side is the sucker for the vacuum cleaner. So all you'd have to do is put this on here, and you have a vacuum cleaner. All right, and then from that vacuum cleaner, you can take this attachment and put it on there, and now you have a vacuum cleaner with a brush. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. In fact, right. So I was, at a loss of what to vacuum up for you, so I went and got some coffee grounds and just put them right here on the table. I know you can see those. So then I'm just going to push this. Let's see what happens. Sucking them right up. And then inside here, there's a filter that you just open up and you clean. But let's say you don't want to vacuum. I have a computer keyboard that needs cleaning. And it really kind of does. So I'm going to take my smallest point here. Just unscrew this. Screw this one back in. Just like so. And I will try to zoom in on this, but this keyboard is filthy. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Blowing all this stuff out. It has 3 different gears, and it blows things out. It's a small vacuum. You can inflate things with it. It's a pretty good little deal, and it's heavy. It feels like it's good quality. Go out and get your Viralix Duster vacuum cleaner today.